Welcome back to another video everyone. Google Doodle celebrates the 98th anniversary of the Republic of Turkey, with a depiction of the nation's first Grand National Assembly of Turkey building. It was here that the Turkish Parliament, also known as the Grand National Assembly, declared independence on 29th of October, 1923. Today, the building stands in the Turkish capital of Ankara, as the War of Independence and Republic Museum. Many original artifacts from the early days of the Turkish Republic are preserved in the museum. The Parliament moved to its current building in 1961. Happy National Day, Turkey! Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to Footprints for more videos.